Fire nahi, wildfire.
फायर है.
Thank you, and thank you one and all. Firstly, I want to thank all our cast and crew who really worked very hard to achieve this rarest feat. And also, I'm overwhelmed by seeing the response from the exhibitors. See, whenever we see the buyer or the exhibitor who exhibits our film in his respective theater, when we see them feeling very, very happy and proud, that's the moment where we feel very, very happy. Not see when it collects some X amount or Y amount, that is a different part. But by seeing the happiness in them, really we feel very, very happy. That is achieved with this film. We are very, very thankful to each and everyone, all the audiences across the world. From India, overseas, everywhere, all the Indians and all the even some foreigners who can follow our language, Hindi and this thing, they are also watching in overseas. Thanks to each and everyone. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
थैंक यू सर. सर अलू सर सामने हैं. उनकी डेडिकेशन हार्ड वर्क पे what will you say?
Anil sir is real asset for our film, and we are very, very thankful. Sorry. So, and also, this is also a point to be mentioned. Anil sir, he has done a fabulous job in releasing our film all across overseas as well as Northern Belt. And he has done fabulous job. And these records wouldn't have happened without his dedication and this thing. Coming to our heroes, Allu Arjun sir. See, we have spoke about him in so many occasions, and I also want to speak about him here also in Delhi. So the work he has done, the hard work he has done, I can say no artist can do the hard work what he has done in this film. And you can't believe last climax, that thing has been shot for 32 days. Every day he used to wear a rope and with all the physiotherapists, everyone in the set, if something goes wrong. Why? Because we have planned the release date and we can't miss that. And he has done 32 days continuously that fight with all the dedication and hard work. He is fabulous. He is something else. I can say that.
Wow. Big round of applause, guys. Come on. Yes, sir.
Sukumar Garu, again, he's one of the most hardworking directors in India, and he eats, drinks, sleep, everything cinema, and he worked so hard for this film that last 100 days, I think he used to sleep 2-3 hours a day, and it is all because of all his vision and everything, we're able to enjoy this feat, and he is he's a magician. That's it.
Thank you so much, sir.